Google just made VEO 3 free for everyone again. Yes, Google quietly changed the future of video creation, and you can now generate unlimited AI videos without spending a single penny. This is a massive update for content creators, especially if you've been waiting to try Google's most advanced video model. With this method, you get full access to VEO 3 unlimited video generation, no limits, no charges, nothing. And the insane part? This isn't some workaround or trial trick. It's a legitimate free access method that most people don't even know exists yet. One tool, unlimited videos, zero editing, zero cost. This is literally a game changer for AI video automation, and right now, the window is open. But here's the thing, this won't stay free forever. Google has done this before, and when they close it, it's gone. So watch this step-by-step guide closely, follow every move, and get your access locked in before it disappears. Let's get into it. First, open Google and search for Gemini Business. Hit the first link that shows up. Now open a new tab. Search for temp mail, open the first website you see. Right there, you've got a free temporary email address ready to use. Just like that. Copy that email. Now jump back to your Gemini Business tab, paste that temp email in the sign-up field, and hit continue. It's going to send a verification code straight to your temp mail. So come back to that temp mail tab, scroll down just a little bit, and hit that refresh button. Boom, there it is. A verification email from Gemini. Click it, copy that code. Head back to Gemini Business, paste the code, and hit verify. Now it asks for your name. Just type anything. I'm going with Dane Cooper. And just like that, it signs you in. Look at this, full Gemini. For businesses and enterprises, but you're in here for free. Clean, simple, powerful. Now here's the best part. You get a 30-day free trial, and when it ends, just open a brand new account with a fresh temp email. Unlimited resets. Okay, let's get to the actual video generation. Type your prompt right here in the chat. I'm using this one as an example. Cinematic view of Switzerland mountains, green valleys, clear blue sky, peaceful lake, ultra-realistic, 4K, smooth camera movement. Now click that Tools button and select Create Videos with VEO 3.1. Hit Enter. Watch this. Under 50 seconds, your video is generated. Right there. No editing, no rendering, nothing. Now real quick, let me explain the video models. Because this matters, Gemini gives you 3 VEO models. VEO 3.1 Fast, VEO 3.1 Light, VEO 3.1 Quality. Gemini Business uses VEO 3.1. Quality, that's the best model, the most advanced one, and you're getting it completely free right now. And the craziest part? You can generate unlimited videos using this method. No cap, no cooldown, no payment. This is the move, guys. Now, if this video saved you money today, hit that like button. It takes 1 second and it helps more people find this method before it disappears. And if you're new here, subscribe. And hey, I've already found the next method that's even bigger than this one. So turn on notifications right now so you don't miss it when it drops. I'll see you in the next one.